Hello everybody, Tanmay here. People who know me, hello there, and people who don't know me, my name is Tanmay and I'm a startup growth coach and video marketing is my specialty. So today's topic is that we are going to talk about influencer marketing. So why you should use influencers, where to find them, what cost you should give to them, and all in all what are the advantages and what types of influencers you have to use, you need to use, and all in all. So let's dive deep into the topic. I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally. You got the best business on your side. Now raise the money, hire experts, and go. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content. So who are influencers? Let me tell you in short who are influencers actually and why you should use influencers. So influencers are content creators across different channels. Let's say social medias, blogs, and offline, online, where they can be anywhere. They are influencers. People are attached to them. So different type of influencers on different types of social media platforms and different other platforms as well, like yoga influencers, art influencers, travel influencers, so many influencers. So why influencer? How to know who is a good influencers? Look at the engagement rate of some influencers. Let's say someone has 100k following and he is getting only 1000 likes or 500 likes, then he's not a good influencer. Good influencer is like if post 100k followers, 50k, 60k, people are interacting, good engagement, people are just loving their post, and he's a good influencer. So we have to find good influencers. Next is brand influencers. What are the brand influencers? Who are they? What are they? So brand influencers are people are following within a specific niche. That means let's say yoga, let's say travel, specific niche. They have a specific niche. So what yoga people can do, yoga business people can hire a specific brand influencer because he is inside the brand, yoga brand. So they can be micro influencers, celebrity influencers, blog influencers, social media influencers, can be anybody. So because they have a particular niche, and then people can connected to them emotionally, and people are likely to buy from there if you just hire them. So that's a good thing. Next is a brand ambassador. So we are going to talk about brand influencers today, but let me give you a few insights about brand ambassador. Your brand ambassador people are under contract, longer contract, 12 months, 2 years, longer contract, and they are hired to increase the brand awareness and boost the conversion and sale. And how they represent the brand lifestyle. You have seen bigger influencers, they represent the brand life. They just speak positive about brand, wear brand, go into public, post, like create post on social media platforms about the brand, living a brand life. They are brand ambassadors. So let's get to the topic and let's start with our influencers thing. So first thing is micro influencers. So micro influencers are people within they have following within the range of 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 60,000. So these people are good because they have small audience and they have good connection with their audience. So engagement is good, high engagement, because large people, large audience, they just cannot engage with everyone. So small people are good in the beginning. So how to work with these small micro influencers, small influencers? So tell them to make a post, give them tell them to review your products, or post a review on your sites or on their Twitter accounts, or post a picture, or tell them to create a 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute short video. So what is the cost? What how much money you have to spend? These people actually nowadays asking for more money, but you have to check their engagement and accordingly you have to give them money. So I can I have worked with some few influencers for my agent for my clients. So 1k to 5k is good. If he has 50k following, then still check his engagement, and you can convince them between 5k, 6k, 7k, okay, 50k he has followers. So let's say, so don't give more money, okay. If he's asking 10k and 15k, then just go to another influencer. Just don't give them more money. So these influencers are good if you are just beginning, and you just have these influencers in your marketing strategy, because these influencers are very helpful for your brand. And if you have product or service, they are just connected to their audience, and their audience are 80% rate of buying your product. So let's just go to the micro influencers. If you have low budget, if you have good budget, then let's go to the celebrity influencer. Now celebrity influencers doesn't need to be a very big huge celebrity, 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. No, 100k, 200k, 300k, 500k, these are also good people on YouTube as well, subscribers of 100k, 200k, these are also good people. So what you have to do, celebrity influencers are, these people have a presence and contact with different industry. They are well known in other industry. That's why they are different from micro influencers. They are celebrity influencers. Celebrity is few celebrity influencers have 50k, 60k, but these are little more famous. So different platforms, they have different type of following. So don't need to be huge celebrity, 100k plus. Next point is effective at reaching multiple audience across various channels, because as they are celebrity, they are famous among all channels. How to work with celebrity influencers? Okay, so focus on social media, of course, then print or online ads. Like you can say that Malabar Jewelers, they have a contract with Kareena Kapoor, so they print their prints and newspaper and all with Kareena's photo. So TV commercials, if you have good budget, blogs or other written publications. Next thing, pose for pictures. So promoting your brand, your service, whatever, pictures, and provide coupons and discount codes. Of course, they should have these things so that people will get excited and buy your product. Next is cost. So how much money you have to spend. Recently we contact a Marathi actress. She was asking for 20k and she has follower of 350k. So yeah, I can tell you that 20k is good. They have good engagement rate. Tell them to create a video of 2 minute, 3 minute, and do more research about who is a good celebrity for you and all. So ask 10 plus celebrities. They can charge different engagement, different take a good depth research and then choose whatever suits your budget. So next, let's get to the next part, social media influencer. So who is a social media influencer? So social media influencers are people famous around Instagram, YouTubers, Facebook, TikTokers, apps like TikToks and all, so on, and Twitter as well. So what you have to do, if these people are on Instagram, then tell them to create a video, 2, 3, 5 minute video, or post a picture. If they are on Facebook, give them your product, or tell them to go live on Facebook, or you can do this on Instagram as well, and product opening live. So this will more people will see this XYZ brand product they are opening. So this type of video as well on YouTube as well, so according to their following. So Twitter, brief statement or review, tell them to write 2-3 reviews and just information about your product, that I love this and all. On YouTube, if they are using YouTube, you can do all the things, but I'm just giving you examples. YouTube, you can just tell them to create a video of using a product and explaining the benefits and advantages of your product, that this and that. So I want to tell you one very important secret about this influencer thing. Look, these influencers are not marketers, they are influencers. So these new people, on old people also, they don't know the actual value they are putting out. They are creating a 3 minute, 5 minute video, and lots of people, so many people are seeing these videos and people are buying from them. So they are giving actually too much value and they are charging so much less money. Okay, so these people don't know actually. We marketers, we business owners know that their worth is so much. So I am telling you, just start using this influencers thing. They are underpriced right now. So 5,000 and 10,000 is just nothing. You are able to sell like hell. In 10,000, if you just pick accurate, exact influencers, make a correct video, make a correct picture, you can sell thousands and thousands, lakhs of rupees of products in 10,000, in 5,000. they are underpriced. Just use, they don't know their worth. Some may know, but you know, lots of new influencers, they don't know. Just you can give them 2,000, 5,000, and they will make a video for you. You know, if you have a monthly budget of 20,000, you hire, let's say, you know, 10 influencers having a 10,000 followers, and you give them 2,000 each. You are just selling like hell. Just pick them rightly. Okay, so that's it. And how to make a strategy for this influencer marketing, I will make another video for this. Okay, so yeah, if you like this video, you know what you have to do, and thank you for watching.